Qudi Mask 2. The standout feature of the Qudi Mask 2 is its ability to express emotions. It can smile, frown, and even look surprised at its $129 price tag. With over 30 different expressions, the mask offers a personalized experience through an app where users can create their own emotions. The mask responds to movement and touch, and when you speak, its digital mouth opens in sync. For added fun, you can even purchase a case with Shrek-like ears, making this an interactive and customizable accessory for those looking to stand out. Shower power. With around 25.5 million tons of plastic in our oceans, shower power turns waste into opportunity. Made from recycled plastic, each unit helps recycle 15 plastic bottles while providing an eco-friendly solution for your shower. This innovative device is powered by the flow of water, transforming your daily routine into a sustainable experience. Connect your smartphone via Bluetooth to enjoy your favorite radio station or the latest album in immersive 360-degree surround sound. Whether you're starting your day or winding down, shower power elevates your shower experience while promoting environmental responsibility. All of this comes at an affordable price of just $79. Make a positive impact on the planet while enjoying your music with shower power. Looking for the next big thing in home appliances? Meet the Dyson Wash G1. What makes it so special though? Dyson engineers have added several game-changing features to this vacuum cleaner. First, it boasts an advanced LCD display, providing a clear view of the selected mode for easy operation. Second, it includes a self-cleaning function that takes just 140 seconds, ensuring maximum convenience for the user. Third, the Dyson Wash G1 is a wet vacuum cleaner, offering up to 35 minutes of continuous use on a single charge, outlasting many dry-only vacuums. With all these cutting-edge features, the price of $974 becomes a worthy investment in the future of home cleaning. LunchEAZE. Eating well and on time is essential. Whether you're navigating a mountain trail or managing a busy day at the office, that's where LunchEAZE steps in. Simply store your favorite meal, be it spaghetti and meatballs, chicken soup, or any other dish, inside this device, and it will start heating up 2 hours before your set time. The LunchEAZE is powerful enough to even heat frozen food to around 80 degrees Celsius, ensuring that your meal is ready when you are. Plus, it continues to warm your food as you eat, so you won't have to worry about cold bites toward the end of your meal. Controllable from your smartphone, LunchEAZE offers convenience at your fingertips. With a runtime of up to 2.5 hours on a single charge, it's the perfect solution for those who want to enjoy a warm meal anytime, anywhere. All of this comes at an affordable price of just $99, ready for a hassle-free, hot meal wherever you go. LunchEAZE is here to make it possible. The Alight Cube projector transforms any flat surface into a 32-inch interactive screen. Impressive, right? But what truly sets it apart is its ability to understand both gestures and touch. Powered by advanced AI algorithms, it ensures pinpoint accuracy down to the millimeter, offering a highly responsive display experience. This feature opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to draw, record virtual instruments, or play a variety of games on an interactive surface. The compact design also makes it portable, fitting easily into many backpacks, making it perfect for on-the-go use. The only catch? The price is currently unknown, but the developers suggest leaving your email to stay updated on their upcoming campaign on Indiegogo. It's a gadget that could change how we interact with screens. Keep an eye on it. These cats aren't getting ready to go to the International Space Station, they've just gotten their paws on the PETKIT Purobot Ultra. This is the world's first litter box that uses artificial intelligence algorithms to analyze your pet's feces and urine. And it's not just for fun, it's designed to keep track of their health. Each cat has its own ID, so the litter box knows exactly which animal is experiencing, let's say, intestinal issues, and it alerts the owner via a mobile app. The PETKIT Purobot Ultra also has an automatic waste pickup system as well as a camera. You can get this high-tech litter box for your furry friends for $569. KRUSH. KRUSH is the first ever wireless portable ice cream maker. If you haven't tried one before, this device offers an innovative way to enjoy homemade desserts. The manufacturers have compiled over 500 recipes in the app, including classic ice creams, sorbet, and milkshakes. One charge allows you to make up to 15 servings. KRUSH's unique design ensures your dessert stays cold for up to 5 hours at 30 degrees Celsius, and cleaning it only takes half a minute. You can get KRUSH for $99. LAWK ONE AR Glasses. Ipsos, an international research company, recently conducted a study on sports activities across various countries. The Dutch topped the list, spending an average of 12.8 hours per week on sports, while Germany and Romania followed closely, with residents dedicating 11 hours per week to athletic pursuits. This makes them the ideal audience for the LAWK ONE augmented reality glasses, designed specifically for sports lovers. Weighing only 80 grams, these innovative glasses display a variety of useful information, including calories burned, heart rate, distance traveled, GPS location, and speed. The LAWK ONE utilizes the world's smallest micro-LED displays, with a diagonal of just 0.113 inches. For those with vision problems, the standard lenses can be easily replaced with prescription lenses. At a price of $700, the LAWK ONE AR glasses offer unparalleled performance for those serious about their sports. Imagine you're cooking a meal using a YouTube tutorial, but your hands are covered in meat sauce and oil. Yuck! In situations like this, the AirGlide is the perfect solution. This innovative stand allows you to control your smartphone with simple gestures, eliminating the need to touch your device while your hands are messy. It works seamlessly with both Android and iOS devices, including tablets, making it versatile for all your needs. The AirGlide stand lasts up to 45 hours on a full charge, ensuring reliable performance throughout your cooking session. At just $49, it's an affordable and convenient way to keep your smartphone clean while following recipes and instructions hands-free. Ambient One. Does your job stink in more ways than one? While the Ambient One can't help you clean your workplace or fix toxic coworkers, it can tell you if the air in your office is poor. In fact, indoor air can be up to 5 times worse than outdoor air. That's where Ambient One comes in. It monitors for carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide, volatile organic compounds, and particulate matter like PM1 and PM2.5. Additionally, it tracks temperature and humidity levels, providing comprehensive data for a healthier environment. The accompanying mobile app helps you understand all the information collected. The Ambient One costs $191, but if you're looking to save, you can opt for a DIY kit priced at $127. Just keep in mind that you'll need a 3D printer to create the casing. Vac SealPro. Funnily enough, the Vac SealPro vacuum sealer also costs just $39, meaning it has to stand out in a competitive market. To achieve this, the manufacturers have focused on making it compact and lightweight, perfect for any household. It comes with some unexpected features, like the ability to inflate basketballs, something you wouldn't typically expect from a vacuum sealer. In addition, it's fantastic for storing clothes and other items, preserving them with ease. The Vac SealPro weighs only 2,117 grams, and it even comes with a magnetic insert, making it easy to store on your refrigerator door for quick access. Ryder One. Cryptocurrency is still going strong, as evidenced by the millions of dollars invested in the Ryder wallet by major players such as Bitcoin Frontier Fund and Oak Grove Ventures. The creators of this wallet have focused on a 3-part security chain to protect your digital assets. To access the private key required for cryptocurrency transfers, you need to have your special tag, your wallet, and your smartphone, ensuring that all 3 parts are connected. Losing one or even 2 of these components won't compromise the wallet's security. Additionally, the tags don't require batteries, and the block doesn't support Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, further enhancing its security. A basic set of the tag, wallet, and charger is priced at $179, offering top-notch protection for your cryptocurrencies. Echofram. Echofram is a unique device that generates soothing white noise, but it does much more than that. It doubles as a photo frame, FM radio, and speaker, all in one compact design. It even features a backlight for a touch of ambiance. The device comes with 12 calming sounds, including ocean waves, and offers 32 volume levels to customize the sound just right for any situation. When it's time for bed, the Echofram automatically turns off thanks to its built-in timer. In the morning, you can start your day on a positive note by gazing at your favorite 13 by 8 centimeters photo. The Echofram is available for just $59, offering both relaxation and style in one convenient pack.